This is absolutely wonderful. We're going to make a beef and mushroom curry. It's really simple to make. It is absolutely delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got some nice beef here. Nice bit of fat in it. Cut nice and chunky. Really lovely. It's about 800 grams there. 250 grams of mushrooms. That's kind of like one of those blue punnet kind of things. You know what I mean? Those plastic things they come in. Yeah, just quartered them. About a cup of onions sliced. I'm using red. So there's 4 tomatoes there. What I've done with those tomatoes, I put them in the food processor, give them a little whiz up, you know, keep them nice and fine. If you haven't got one of those, just cut them really small. Try and use a nice juicy one. A teaspoon of chili, teaspoon cumin, teaspoon coriander, teaspoon turmeric, the big 4. Ginger garlic paste, tablespoon, and a bit, why not? Absolutely wonderful. No curry is complete without that. I'm gonna get some cumin seeds on the go. 1, 2 teaspoons. Beautiful. These are the ones I got in India when I was there last time. What a difference they make. A little bit of cilantro or coriander, whatever you're gonna call that. Okay, so tomatoes, beef, mushrooms, cilantro or coriander, ginger garlic paste, cumin seeds, the big 4, chili, turmeric, cumin and coriander, cup of onions. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add some salt. So in there I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. Today I'm just using a sunflower oil. Use a different oil if you want. Coconut oil is really quite nice. We're going to start off by dropping in the 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and I'll be back in about 20 or 30 seconds. The heat's on above medium. I just want to throw them around in that oil there, infuse it and give it a lovely flavor. Don't skip this process. Fabulous. Right, we're going to get our beef in now. And I've got some nice chunky sized beef there, as you can see, 800 grams. It's all going to go in. Nice bit of fat on it as well, which I want. It's a lovely cut, this one. We're going to drop in some salt. And on this medium heat, we're going to throw this around for about 6 minutes. Okay, that's been going about 6 or 7 minutes actually, but beautiful. Got a nice bit of colour on there. It's rendered out a bit of the fat, which I'm actually happy. I want that in there. If that's too much for you, drain some off, but yeah, I like it in there. Right, we're going to add in that 1 cup of onion. I'm using red onion, and what I've done with this onion is I've sliced it. If you want, use a different colour onion and cut it how you like. You can cut it small if you want. Okay, so we're going to stay on this medium heat 4 more minutes. I'll be moving it around fairly often. Fabulous. Now we're going to go for that heaped tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now ginger garlic paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. You can buy it in stores already made in jars, or you can make it yourself. I mean, we make it ourselves because we use so much of it here. Really, really tasty stuff. Now you may have noticed that I've not shown you any fresh chili. We are going to put some fresh chili in this, but I'm going to add them just at the end. Let's get our powders in. So a teaspoon each, the big 4. Let's have a look. Turmeric, chili, cumin and coriander. If you want, you can just use a curry powder that you've got, but I do think for sure the individual spices are so much better. Look at that, lovely vibrant colours coming out now. Now, time for those tomatoes. Fresh tomatoes. cut really small. Like I say, I chucked them in the food processor. We're going to go now for 6 minutes on this medium heat. I want those tomatoes to really cook down, and we may well get quite a bit of moisture from them if you have used a nice ripe tomato, that is. We'll have a look in 5 or 6 minutes. Now, I'm not going to put all those in, that's loads. Maybe 3 of these. So you can see those tomatoes have cooked down really nicely, give off a bit of moisture. And also that time was well spent cooking the beef. We're now going to add our mushrooms in, and we're probably going to get a little bit of moisture out of them as well. So let's let them go for another 4 or 5 minutes. Again, stay on this medium heat. We're nearly there. Really tasty, really tasty. Okay, that's wonderful. So you get a little bit of moisture from the mushrooms as they cook. Now look, the beef that I used was a really nice cut, so check it, because you know I'm done now. We're done for me, but you might need to cook the beef that you have a bit longer. We're going to turn off the heat. We're going to get those chilies. We're going to pop them in. We're going to get some cilantro or coriander. We're going to get that in. And then one more thing. I'm going to add here garam masala powder. It's just a nice finishing spice. It's a nice mixture of cinnamon, cardamom, and lots of other stuff, black pepper and stuff like that. And all you need for that is just a little pinch, like a quarter of a teaspoon. I'm going to give that a mix. We've done it. That's beautiful. And that is absolutely wonderful. Really, really deep, spicy, lovely beef stew. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you very soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in aromatics, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.